morning mga kapinay girl and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video guys, wala po kaming work today ni Javi. Yay! Okay, kasama ko ngayon si Javi sa aking vlog. We're gonna do today, honey?
Cooking.
We are cooking our breakfast. Yay! Before we can cook guys, so my husband is the one who will clean first, then I am the chef cook.
Do the prep for the kitchen, and then my wife does all the cooking. So I prep. I get the food all washed, get it all on plates. And my wonderful wife,
Yeah.
she does the final details.
Okay, so my husband is really good in cleaning in the kitchen. He is really expert with the organized. Sometimes I put everywhere. My husband said, "Why did you put in this plate here? Supposed to be here." That's how Filipina is put in everywhere, honey.
That's just how we are. We're 50-50.
Oh,
She's
yeah.
unorganized. I'm organized. She cooks. I clean. 50-50.
Super bait nga talaga ng husband ko. Siya talaga ang naglilinis all the time in the morning. At ako naman ang magluluto. So, yun po talaga ang routine namin everyday. Making coffee, breakfast, kapag wala po kaming work. So, let's see my husband face. Say hi to all of our followers. Honey.
Yes, honey. Here I am.
Okay.
Cleaning the pan we're going to use.
Are you a good husband?
I hope so.
Oh my God. But to me, you are so good.
Okay. I've been approved.
You're being responsible, hon. You know that?
Maybe you're the lucky one because you have such caring man for you.
Oh, say yeah.
And then I could be lucky that I have a faithful woman in my life that cares for me and loves me every day also.
Oh, yeah. Of course, hon. Okay, then after that, we're starting cooking na. What's your breakfast?
That and Egos. Egos. Hey guys, here we are. I'm done cleaning. Got a routine. I make another cup of coffee, and it's all clean. It's all ready to go. My wife is here, beginning to cook and prep the vegetables on what her meal is and my meal is.
Okay. Cooking a vegetable because I miss the ampalaya. This is called ampalaya. Honey, this is really good. Mixing with the egg. But now it's the vegetable looks ugly, but I have to cook it now. I don't know this one if it's still good.
Oh, it's probably almost gone. It's starting to go bad, so you might as well use it up now.
Maybe.
Use what's left.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah. Yep, try it.
Don't waste food, right?
Yeah, don't waste food ever.
Okay.
Food is too expensive.
Yeah. So we're trying to keep saving the food and instead of
put the things you don't use, scrap food, scrap.
Today is another day, another cooking. This is how life marrying an American husband. You have to wake up early in the morning. My husband woke me up. Honey, let's do cooking now. My husband is hungry. Okay. Ito guys, pag-uusapan natin ngayon since nandito na si Javi kasi minsan lang talaga kami makapag-vlog together. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba talaga kami nag-met. Last year ay nabanggit ko na talaga ito sa inyo guys. Pero ngayon is pag-uusapan natin ulit dahil meron pa talaga walang nanonood sa video ko noon. Ngayon, mag-upload po tayo ng latest upload, How I Met My American Husband. Can you tell to everyone how I met you? Okay.
Okay. So, in our adventure this morning on cooking, things we do in the morning together is that we ended up meeting each other online together through Facebook. So I met my wife on Facebook through a friend of mine that has lots of Filipino friends, and I met her online. We started chatting, and we both had a positive attitude. Her life was going, my life was going, and we talked every day to every other day, and our relationship just took off.
Oh, yes. Yeah, we met on Facebook, guys, but he sent me a friend request. He has no profile picture. I thought that it was fake because he has no profile. Then I don't believe that he is a real person.
I wasn't too much into global media or
Yeah, yeah.
websites like that, and so he asked for a picture. I uploaded a new picture, and believe it or not, she got me more into social media where I load things more up to
Yeah.
keep her informed on what my life
Yeah.
is like and what.
Siya po talaga noon, na-meet ko siya in Facebook. Wala po talagang profile like what we said, na he has no profile fake. I thought it was fake. Mostly American guys doesn't like a social media, posting video, posting pictures. So that's what him. Me and my husband chatting online before, it takes 2 years before we become together. And after that, did you petition me or?
No. So before we got to the paperwork and the petition part, I visited her. I took an airplane ticket. She got me the confidence and everything like that. She was going to be there. She promised everything to me. And when I got there, all the promises were true. So you got to feel out the relationship. You got to feel how it is. Use common sense to see if things add up right. Common sense, you know.
Yeah.
And everything, all the call signs were there. I got off the airplane, and it wasn't just her. She brought the whole family to greet me. It was great.
Yeah, I wasn't not the one to meet you, of course, with my family because they're really excited than me. I brought my family to the airport to meet my handsome husband.
Right. 4 years for our relationship to be complete here in America. 2 years of meeting, getting to know each other, communicating every day. To 2 years, another 2 years for the paperwork, and then me to go back, swipe her up, and bring her back home to here in America.
Oh yeah, so it is take time, you know.
She was so excited because
I am very excited to come here actually in America because our relationship was progressing. So I really love to be with my husband because being LDR is not really easy, guys. You know, I feel like, oh, when I'm sad, my husband is far away.
the conclusion of our story on how our relationship started going, and our relationship ended up to this point that we're here in America cooking in the kitchen together, and my wife is going to take over to continue the story. Thank you guys.
Okay, so yun lamang po dahil si Habi ay nagmamadali dahil pupunta po siya sa shop. So yun po talaga ang buong story namin ni Habi. Mostly online po talaga nagtatanong sila kung anong apps po talaga ang gamit namin at paano kami nagkakilala. Paulit-ulit po talaga silang nagtatanong. Sinasabi ko po talaga nakilala ko yung husband ko sa Facebook. Wala po talaga akong ginamit na other apps. Sa Facebook lang talaga. So, na-share na po talaga ni Habi ang kanyang saloobin kung paano niya ako na-meet, di ba? Ganyan po talaga ang buhay marriage, no? Kunwari ako ang magluluto, si Habi ang maglilinis. Kung ako naman ang maglilinis, si Habi ang magluluto. Yun po talaga ang aming napag-usapan ni Habi. Hindi pwede na ako lang, hindi pwede na siya lang. So, magtulungan po talaga ang buhay mag-asawa. Mamadali talaga si Habi umalis dahil may tumawag sa shop, so kailangan ng tulong sa kanya. So ngayon, habang maghihintay ako sa kanya, magluluto na din ako ng breakfast. So siguro lahat, no, kung paano kami nag-meet. So nasabi na rin ni Habi. So lucky lang po talaga na hindi na talaga kayo magka-LDR ngayon. Ngayon magkasama na talaga kami ni Habi. Sobrang grateful din na punta ako sa responsibly na American. So sobrang caring niya talaga sa akin pagdating sa pagkain, lahat dito sa bahay. So nagpapasalamat po talaga ako. Sa tuwing nalulungkot ako, syempre nandyan yung Habi ko. Siya lang talagang maasahan ko. Parang siya na talagang ang lahat, kaibigan ko, kapamilya ko, husband ko. Siya na talaga ang meron ako dito sa Amerika. So, yung hobby talaga ang nagpapalakas ng loob ko dito sa tuwing nalulungkot ako dahil nga wala akong family dito. I think that's all for today, guys. Ang lulutuin ko lang naman ang palaya at saka egg. Yung kay hubby is longganisa. So, yun lang po muna ang breakfast namin. Hindi ko na ipapakita ang buong video sa pagluluto. So, and I think yun lamang po at salamat po sa pakikinig ng kwento namin ni hubby at kung paano kami nag-meet. And thank you for watching, everybody. This is me, Pinay Girl!